Today we are going to perform activity number 6, that is to prepare 100 ml 0.1 molar standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate, which is also known as Mohr salt. Now student, this particular activity is one of the important part for your board practical exam, and the weightage for this particular activity is 4 marks. Okay, now for this particular activity we need apparatus. So first of all we need 25 ml beaker, then we need ferrous ammonium sulfate, which is green color crystalline solid material. Then we need 100 ml standard measuring flask, which is also known as volumetric flask. Then analytical balance and distilled water. Now the first part over here, as we are going to prepare 100 ml of 0.1 molar standard solution of FAS, the molecular mass of this particular salt is 392 gram per mole. Now to prepare 1 molar solution of FAS volume 1000 ml, we need to weigh 392 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. But in this particular activity, we are going to prepare 100 ml of 0.1 molar solution. So to prepare 100 ml 0.1 molar solution, we need to weigh 3.92 gram of FAS. Okay, so now student is going to weigh 3.92 gram of FAS, but before that, the first step, we have to nullify the weight of the butter paper. So first of all, take the paper, just keep it in the balance. Now the balance will display the weight of the paper. We have to nullify the weight of the paper. To nullify the weight of the paper, close the balance from both the side. On the analytical balance, the first button, that is tare button, you have to press that button. Now you can see that the balance is displaying the value, that is 0.000. So we have nullified the weight of the paper. Now open the balance, and now the student will start weighing 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Now we have to weigh exactly 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Okay, now you can see it on the balance. The weight is 3.92 gram. Now close it from one side. Now you can see the stable value 3.92. So the weighing part is done. Now the student is going to transfer this particular ferrous ammonium sulfate in 25 ml beaker. So weighing of ferrous ammonium sulfate is done. We have weighed exactly 3.92 gram of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Now the next step in this particular activity is we are going to dissolve this ferrous ammonium sulfate. For that we are going to add 2 test tubes of water in it. After adding 2 test tubes of water, just take one glass rod, stir the solution and dissolve that ferrous ammonium sulfate in water. We should get clear solution. Once the solution is clear, we are going to transfer that solution in 100 ml standard measuring flask. Once the solution is transferred in 100 ml standard measuring flask, the next part is, now we are going to give washing to that particular beaker, again by adding 2 test tubes of water. Again stir with the glass rod. And transfer this washing in 100 ml standard measuring flask. Now we have to dilute this particular solution by using water till the marking the volume is 100 ml. So you can take water in the beaker and transfer that water in 100 ml standard measuring flask till the marking. As you can see, the solution is clear, so we have to see the lower meniscus. Now you can see that after transferring water, now the volume in 100 ml standard measuring flask, just observe the lower meniscus. Yes, now you can observe it. This is exactly 100 ml ferrous ammonium sulfate, that is 0.1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate. Now just to make the concentration uniform, shake that flask. Okay, so now our 0.1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate is ready. Now guys, remember this particular 100 ml 0.1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate, it is a part of activity in your board practical. It carries 4 marks. Now today this same solution we are going to use it for volumetric analysis. So volumetric analysis mein again we have preparation of standard solution of 0.1 molar FS. This same solution we are going to use in volumetric analysis. This is all about the activity.